everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, I upload civil engineering videos which are really helpful for students who are pursuing BTech or diploma, and these videos are also equally important for the students who are preparing for various job interviews. So in today's video, I am going to discuss about the field test of cement. So the very first field test which has to be done on cement is the color test. Color of ordinary Portland cement is greyish color with a slight greenish tint. So whenever you are getting a bag of cement, just have a check whether the color of cement is greyish color with greenish tint. The next test which has to be performed on the cement at site or in field is the check on the manufacturing date of the cement. This is very important, my dear students. Please note, because whenever you are receiving a bag of cement at site, first thing you have to check on the cement bag is what is the manufacturing date of cement. Strength of the cement actually reduces with the age of the cement. So you should note what is the manufacturing date of the cement. For the better durability of the structure, you should use cement which is manufactured within 3 months, because cement generally has a shelf life of 3 months. Some cements are there which have shelf life more than 3 months, but you should avoid that, because if the shelf life exceeds 3 months, then the cement should be checked for all the physical properties of the cement. So whenever at site you are receiving a bag of cement, just have a look at the manufacturing date first. So shelf life of the cement is 3 months. Our next very important test which has to be performed at site on cement is smoothness test. What is smoothness test? Whenever you are opening a bag of cement, a bag of ordinary Portland cement, and immediately you put your hand inside that bag of cement, and if you feel a smooth feeling in your hands, then you will be able to understand that the cement is actually good and genuine. But sometimes if we feel something rough, then you will be able to understand that the cement is actually adulterated. So if you feel smooth feeling with your fingers, then you will say that the cement is genuine. And if you feel rough, then you will understand that the cement is adulterated. The next test which has to be performed on cement at site is observation whether any lumps are formed inside the bag of cement or not. Now, if you open a bag of cement and immediately if you find that there is some hard lump inside that cement bag, you can be sure that this hard lump of cement is formed due to absorption of moisture from the surroundings. Now we are going to see the next field test of cement which is performed at site. So the fifth one is water sinking test of cement. So what is the water sinking test of cement? So after opening the bag of cement, just take some cement with your hands and you just throw that cement in a bucket full of water. So whenever you are throwing that cement in a bucket full of water, the cement should float at top for some time and gradually they will sink at the bottom. If this is there, then you will be able to understand that the cement is genuine and it is not adulterated. The cement floats at top for some time before sinking at bottom. So next is glass plate test. my dear students, for the glass plate test, take some cement and then mix the cement with water so that a stiff cement paste is formed. After that, just pat from all the edges of the cement paste so that the cement paste can take the formation of a cake. Now just place that cement cake on a glass plate. Now you take a bucket full of water, take that glass plate on which you have kept that cement cake and put it under the bucket full of water. You have to keep that cement cake inside that bucket full of water for 24 hours. If the cement quality is very good, then after 24 hours it should set and should not crack. So the next field test of cement will be temperature test on cement. Now what is this temperature test on cement? At sight, if you open a bag of cement and immediately if you put your hands inside that cement bag and with your fingers if you get a cool feeling, then you can ensure that the cement is of good quality and no heat of hydration has taken place inside the bag of cement. But in case if you feel a warm feeling with your fingers when you put your hands inside that cement bag, then make sure that heat of hydration has taken place due to some moisture entry inside the bag of cement. And now we will see the last field test on cement. Smell test. So what is the smell test of cement? If you take some cement paste and fill it with your fingers, you will have a sticky feeling. But in case cement is adulterated with too much pounded clay and silt, and if you just have a smell of that cement, you will get a earthen smell feeling. So in case cement is adulterated, so it will give you a smell of earthen smell. So I hope this 8 field tests of cement is clear to all of you. So that's all for today. Please give this video a like, please share it with your friends, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant updates. Thank you all for watching this video. Meet you all soon in a new civil engineering video.